Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the quickest method that you can use to create fast sales with Clickbank products. Alright, so you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator YouTube channel here, and if this is your first time here to my videos or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed yet, well, reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alright, so like I told you, I'm going to show you the quickest method that you can use to create fast sales with Clickbank products in this video. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get started right in on this video here today. Come over here to Clickbank. Of course, if you don't have an account with Clickbank, it's easy enough to create one. Just go over to clickbank.com, sign up where it says create an account, and get started with it and create your own account. And don't forget to save your account nickname that you'll need for your method here. Now in this particular method I'm using a health and fitness diet. You see that I clicked on marketplace here. It brings you over to the marketplace page, and I chose health and fitness. Now you can use any product that you want for this particular method. It doesn't matter, you can use any product, but there's one thing that you want to make sure that it does not have. The product you choose should not have, like this for example right here. I brought this up here. This is the 12-minute affiliate system, as you see right here in the address bar right here up here. This is this one right here, and the reason you do not want a product like this is because it already has the opt-in page right here. You see where it's asking for the name and email address and get started now. You don't want a product with that. You want one that doesn't have an opt-in page built into the product, because you're going to create a landing page and you want to collect the email for yourself so that you can retarget back to your customer. So I chose this particular product right here, the custom keto diet, which is this one right here that you see right here at the top of this page here, and it does not have that. Okay, so that's good. That works for us. We don't want that. We want our own emails that we can collect for ourselves. So you're going to need two things in this particular method. You're going to need an autoresponder, of which I recommend GetResponse. It's the one I use. It's the easiest to work with. You can create landing pages with it, and it's the cheapest on the market that you can get. Incidentally, I'll have the link down there in my description for GetResponse if you want to check that out. Just come over and check out GetResponse and get signed up and have yourself an autoresponder for this particular method. We're using this product right here so I can collect the emails of my own. It doesn't have an opt-in page. It does have an affiliate page too, of which also on the affiliate page of the product you choose, which you can use any one you want in any niche, and you want to make sure that it has email swipes. You see this down here where my mouse is? Email swipes, because you're going to use them for retargeting. Now, what you want to do then is you want to come over and create a landing page, and like I said, for that I use GetResponse here, and I've created a landing page already. I've stepped ahead and created a landing page, and I'll show you how I did that. And you can see right here I created one called the Keto Diet. If I click on that, it should open it up right here, and once it loads up here, and you can see right here that I created my own landing page. And it says you're about to discover the fastest way to lose fat without having to give up your favorite foods and starving yourself. Now, how did I come up with those words? Well, I'll show you. Right here on the sales page, the Keto Diet sales page, with this is a video sales letter here. Right down here they have a link where it says to people prefer to read instead of watch the sales video. They can just click there and it brings them over to this page right here, and I simply took the words out of this paragraph right here, this top paragraph. Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? And as you can see, I created that. I said you're about to discover the fastest way to lose fat without having to give up your favorite foods and starving yourself. So that comes right out of this paragraph right here. So what you want to do is you want to set up your landing page and get that created. If you don't want to use GetResponse or ClickFunnels or Builderall or Lead Pages, any of those particular sites that you have to pay for, you can create a free landing page over here at Wix.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, Wix.com. you can come here and create a free landing page using this site right here. When you get your landing page created, you want to make sure that you set to your button down here where it says yes, give me access now. You want to set in it'll collect, you want to attach it to your email list so that you collect the email address, and you want it to redirect them over to the sales page, which would be, in our case, it'll be this one right here, the video sales letter. Alright, so then after you have that all set up, you've got your landing page made so you can collect the email address and direct them to the sales page. The next thing to do at that point is to get traffic. Now let me tell you guys that the industry average is because most people coming to your landing page are going to be cold, what we call cold customers. They are not warmed up, they don't know who you are, they don't trust you, so on and so forth. So you can figure that the average, they say, is about 1 to 3% of people will buy the first time around. That's why you want to use your email swipes, which incidentally, before we go further on how we're going to get our traffic for this, you want to make sure that your affiliate product that you choose from Clickbank has email swipes right here. Because what you're going to do is you're going to add your email swipes into your autoresponder so that if they do not buy on the first time around, that you will have their email address, and then you can retarget them each day, sending them another email directing them back to this product again. Industry average is that people have to see the offer 5 to 8 times before they will actually purchase. Alright, so you want to keep sending emails back to them each and every day if they don't buy the first time. Other thing about this is if they go through, say you have 8 to 12 days of emails relocating and retargeting them back to this sales page. If they don't purchase then what you do is just come back to Clickbank and you'd send them the next product in the list using the email swipes. In my case, it would be the one right here called the Cinderella solution right here. And then go to the affiliate page and use their email swipes and continue on after the end of your first campaign and send them the email swipes for another product on Clickbank related to your niche that you first started with. And then eventually they will buy a product from Clickbank through your marketing that way with your emails. Alright? Now, so we've got this all set up. We got our landing page made. We got our product picked out. You want to click on promote right there and get your link to your product. You want to make sure that your affiliate nickname or account nickname is in there, and then click generate hop link, get your link to your product, and you do not have to put or take this to bit.ly.com and shorten it up. The reason why is because it's going to be attached and hidden behind this particular button right here, your access button on your landing page. So your landing page, when they click this, it'll collect their email address and name and direct them over here to the sales page with your affiliate link in the address bar. And then the same thing on your email swipes. You're going to set it up with your affiliate link to this product in your email swipe so that you can redirect them back to this product with each email each day until they purchase. Alright? And then, like I said, just add more products if they get through without purchasing. Now, so we have this all set up now. Now, how are you going to get traffic to this? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this site right here. It's udemy.com. Okay? It's free to sign up with Udemy. That we're going to be using solo ads. This is the quickest way that you can get traffic to your Clickbank products without having to do any marketing of your own, whether it be free or paid. Either way, this is the quickest way to do it. Now, what I did was I come here to Udemy and I clicked on Find Sellers right here. And what I did, you can choose these categories right here. We want to choose a rating. We want to have a seller. I want to see a seller that's got 100 ratings, so I clicked on 100. And that starts within 24 hours of the time that we give them or purchase our solo ad here. Alright, or you can set it to whatever you want, 48 hours, 3 days, 4 days, whatever, all the way up to 14 days ahead if you want. So I just chose 24 hours, and you want to make sure that we sort this by sales because we want to see how many sales that the seller has made. Alright, with people. In other words, when he has given his solo ads to people, or his solos to people, and directed them to his solo emails, we want to see how many sales on average that the people have made using his service, right? So we choose sales here. If you'll notice right here, I'm in the health niche right here, you see. Let me zoom in on this. And I'm on the health niche. You can put marketing. That would be if you were using like the 12-minute affiliate system for affiliate marketing or whatever. You want to choose marketing. Well, since I'm using the keto diet, I chose the health niche right there. Click on that. We want our price to be at about the cheapest we can find it, at 40 cents per lead. And we want to see sellers that have got at least 20% sales. You can set it to whatever you want, but I chose at least 20% of sales. And as you can see, it brought me up 2 of them right here. This particular guy here, Greg Prowse, he's got 24% of his latest solo ads that he's done out of the last 100 that people have bought. I mean, people have gotten sales with this. And you can see this fellow right here, Ho Jun Yi, and he's had 27%. And what I like about this guy is too right here, is look right here, it says works with Clickbank. See that? And Warrior Plus, BizOp, MMO, Crypto, and IM, or Internet Marketing. So I like this guy right here. So we click on him and it loads up, and what you want to do is you want to start with at least 100 visitors or 100 clicks. Now out of these 100, you will only get maybe 1, 2, or maybe 3 people that might purchase right off the bat. But the important thing is that you're collecting these email leads into your autoresponder so that you can retarget back to them with your email swipes. So then you can, what you chose here, you can go all the way up to, on this, you can go to 1,000 visitors, and that's going to be about $400 for that. But most people can't afford that, but you can start with 100 visitors, and it's $43. Now, what else I recommend that you do is you check the box right here that says only top tier traffic. Check that box, and you see it adds another $10 to the price. So for $53, you're going to get 100 visitors that are top tier. That's what you want. And then right here is where you would put your landing page link right in here. If you want, you can set it to add text to this too, if you want to add text in here as well. But for the purposes of what we're doing, we just want to put your landing page link right in here, and then just click add to cart, and then they'll start running your campaign and driving your 100 visitors, and usually they will go over. You might get 115 clicks or visitors to your landing page. But the important thing is that you're collecting email addresses so that you can retarget back to the other 93% or 96% or 7%, whatever, that didn't buy the first time. And eventually, as you keep targeting back with emails, there will be others who will buy also. Alrighty, that's how you do that, guys. That's the video I had for you today. That's the quickest method that you could use to make fast money with Clickbank products right there. Just make sure that you choose one that doesn't have a opt-in form on it already. You want to create your own landing page and do this with. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you like this video, that's the method I had for you today. It's a quick way to do it. It's not free, but it is a very powerful method. You don't have to do any marketing on your own. Alright, guys, reach down and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell down there below. And if you want to get involved in your own affiliate marketing business, you want to reach down there and click in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out what's available there for you through my funnel. I'm going to leave you guys with that. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll get back with you. And also, I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.